Hey, this is Mark. This is my channel, Fix It Up Chappie. I am the Fix It Up Chappie, and we're gonna do a little scuba diving today. Some DIY scuba diving. Um, so I got my dive master certification while I was going to get my master's degree in maritime studies, which is underwater archaeology, and this is one of my checkout dives, and it's not all of it. It's just the first little part, but it's kind of cool. It ends on a really neat note, and I'm gonna go through the process here and of going down, and I'm gonna narrate it as we go. All right, and I'm probably gonna turn this volume down quite a bit because it's just bubbles going off. All right, let's see. Here we go. Yeah, that's noisy. All right, here we go, going down, and if you look off to the right, you can actually see a school of fish right there. I think those are sergeant fish or jacks. I'm not sure. Red roughy, maybe. No, can't remember what they were, but there were a bunch of them, and I saw them several more times after that, but not during the video. So here we go. Hi. So we're going down the anchor line. This is the actual anchor line that goes down to the anchor. The anchor's stuck on the ship or next to it. And you can't tell anything until you get down there, and then you're like, whoa, wait a minute. What is this? That's a wall of steel. So this must be the side of the boat. Interesting. Okay. So we're all going to gather up down here. I'm fast forwarding a little bit. And I'm recording nothing right now, so I'm going to get beyond the nothing part. And okay, now we're on the outside of this boat. There's the anchor line that we came down. It's going back up there, and we're all swimming. I'm in the back here. Everybody's swimming in front of me. I'm taking up the rear, and look off to the left. What is happening over there? Just pay attention. See what happens. Oh, a little zebrafish or whatever that is. Swimming and swimming and swimming and swimming. Nothing happening yet. Okay, never mind. You see, that's the outside of the boat right there. That may be where the old anchor came out. Used to come out of there. Chain, possibly. I don't even know where I'm at on this boat. Oh, what is that on the left? What is it? Is that a turtle? That's a turtle. Big old sea turtle. Big as me, swimming up over there. Yep, he's pretty awesome. No touchy. Look at that guy. He's like, what are you guys doing down there, huh? Alright, we'll see you later. See, we're going over top of that. It looks like the bow, honestly. It looks like it's coming to a point right there. But then again, there's more stuff on the ground, so maybe not. Maybe that was just where a wall met the side. But yeah, that's the first little part of my checkout dive, and I thought that was interesting enough to pass along to y'all. I may do more later, but for now, that's just a little chunk of it. And hey, if you like what I'm doing, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Hit the post notification so you know when I drop something new, and I will keep it coming as much as possible. I'm gonna try to drop maybe a video a day if I can. I don't know if I'm that interesting. Possibly. I recently remodeled my laundry room and retiled the floor and did a bunch of woodwork on an old piece of maple to make a shelf and a sink top and installed the sink, but all that's done, so I can't show you the process. So we'll just have to see what happens next. I am trying to put some facing on some old shelves that were built in that room, and the facing boards I'm using are maple. So I may show you the process I'm using to mill those out a little bit and get them all the same shape, and then I'm going to put them on the facing of those shelves. So I may do that. That might be a good one. But for now, I think that's it. Until next time, you guys have a good one.